Alright, hello again, and we're back with another episode. Alright, so remember about 5 months ago, back when we started this project? Well, I was never planning on posting another video, but here I am 5 months later, posting part 2 of it. So, I'm committed to get this computer finished, so first, let's get started by just removing everything I've built in the way of this. I'll remove the tank later in the video. But anyways, let's just remove this little tank here because I really don't need it. I don't know why I built a tank of lava. Sorry, my voice is a little wonky today. Right, anyways. Kitty, you can help? Oh, okay. You're just gonna nap. Okay. I'm okay with that. Alright. So, anyways, it's been a little bit chaotic intro. We're not even a minute in and we're already doing stuff. So, yes, a little bit of a chaotic intro. But maybe let's tune it down from here. Alright. So, today I plan to hopefully finish it up. Or not hopefully, I am going to finish this up. I'm committed. Now, I've got myself too far into it. I'm committed. It's probably, this is probably not going to work. I had tons of problems last time. I used command blocks. None of that stuff. I'm not going to be using any of that. Not that I don't know how to use it. Just that it's really complicated. Actually, yeah, it is. Because I don't know really how to use it. I could probably do this with the command block pretty easily, honestly. I could probably just run this entire thing off the command block if I really wanted to. Probably good, but I'm not that smart that I really can not. Yeah, I can't do that. So I'm just gonna, listen, I'm just going to make this with about 0 experience. We should probably start building. So let's get on to building rather than talking about how I started a project 5 months ago and then was planning never to post another episode of it. Now I've committed. That's pretty much all I need to say. Alright, anyways, we're gonna find a new system because the system before to launch the guy back up into his place did not work. So let's find a new system. I think if I do it like this, if I grab a lever here, then I think okay. So this is where the guy stands. I think if we added another piston, I think, let's add one right beside, like that. Then I think we gotta add like a piston at the same level. It's like this. So maybe it'll, no, there we go. Wait, I have to add, there we go. Alright, now if I add that, I think that system should work. That reset system again. Okay, so I have to do a bunch of tests because that's very complicated. And here we are with an actual system off of it. And let's see if it works. Actually, I'm still not done building it, so I'm going to continue building it before I keep doing this. Let's finish it off. It's taken some time to figure this out. And, all that shenanigans, so, I think maybe, I don't think so. Yeah, see the other systems right down there? It worked. So I just did that all off camera because the video's already 25 minutes long. So I would prefer not to have to record all this on camera. Actually, it's already, not already 25 minutes. It's already 5 minutes in. And we've gotten this far. So it's gonna be complicated, okay? So I just started a time lapse here because this took me forever to figure out why it wasn't working. So the glass is pushing him off. So think if I made a little chamber with that, you can push him in there. Okay. Anyway, that's pretty boring, so let's just move on to what I've done with it. How is that? And boom, it's all installed. Trust me, I spent hours, literal hours on this. This probably took me about a week to figure all this out. Actually, it hasn't. I spent pretty much all my time making this video just trying to figure that out. I decorated a little bit, so yeah, that's pretty much how it works. But one thing I want to talk about is that let's just be sure it works, because I haven't tested it yet. So let's be sure it works. And you might be wondering, hey Tags, it's only 5 minutes in, and this video is 25 minutes long. What are we going to end up doing for the extra minutes? We are going to be figuring out stuff, okay? This is probably just random junk that needs to be done. And one thing that we need to test this. Okay, so I think when the red concrete goes down, that means we should probably get down to, we should probably crouch. So, let's wait. Come on. Come on, thing, work. Please. Please work. Please. What's wrong? Oh, it's working. It's just really slow, okay? So, let's just wait here. Okay, 1 second. Alright, sorry, it's been a couple hours since I did the last time you heard me talk. Alright, anyways, will this work? Let's see if this thing will work. Red thing should light up, please. Oh. When is it gonna light up? Seriously. Oh, there we go. So now I'm gonna dodge it. Then, and this is what happens if you don't dodge it. So when is this? Seriously, I'm gonna have to make this fast. You just, yeah. Now you lose. I do though want to make a piston system so it pushes you. So we'll do that maybe later. I have some other stuff though that I've planned. So yeah, I have some other stuff planned for later. I'm not gonna spoil it. What I've planned for later. All right. Anyways, this is way too slow. So I think it's these repeaters. There. Okay. I think it's the repeaters. Honestly, I think it's the repeaters that are making it too long. And then, is it broken? Did I break it? How's it? Did I break it? No. Okay. Didn't. I thought I broke a piece of glass, but I really didn't. Okay. Cool. Now, all this redstone's wired up and all that stuff works and stuff. I just want to add the piston once again. And okay. I was about to spoil what I'm doing later in the video, but I'm not going to spoil it. Okay, so I think it's working. It's working just fine. Ignore the gross sounds. Actually, I'm just going to get rid of the gross sounds. Hi, Kitty. Are you going to help me record? Kitty. Kitty. Kitty, come here. Kitty, come. Kitty, come. Come on, Kitty. Okay, one second. I'll grab you. You really want attention, and I'll grab you. No, okay. You just want to walk away, okay. Or do you want to come? I don't get this cat. Do you want to come? Come on. If you just want to sit in the stroller? Okay, guys, 1 second. We want to get the cat. Come here. Oh, come here, baby. Okay, there we go. Now help me record. You hear me? Don't be annoying. Don't be touching everything. Help me record. I know you were watching a movie. I know, but come. Come on. Help me record. Alright. Anyways, we're gonna... I don't know why I'm doing this. I think I just broke it. Alright, now we're gonna add the piston in that pushes this thing. So, Kitty, are you gonna help me record, or are you just gonna sit here and be angry at me for bringing you in? If you wanna leave, I'll let you leave. No, you're just gonna play with the light wire. Kitty, just go around. Okay. Just gonna ignore the cat. Not being very smart right now. I'm sorry. Are you offended? Okay, I'm sorry. I'm very sorry. Alright, anyways. Okay. Anyways. Let's make a piston there. So hopefully that will push it into the thing. Right. So yeah. That restart is useless now because you're actually going to be pushed into a hole rather than before the restart was literally just useless. You couldn't do anything with the restart. In my opinion, it is a little ugly though, so yeah. Alright, let's break out, y'all. Also, I don't know if you guys noticed, but for the screen, I use a kind of whitish tint. I don't know if you guys like that, but I kind of think it makes it look more of a computer. I don't. Oh, hi. Now you're crawling up on my shoulder, kitty. Okay. Trust me. I'm not going to take it down. Trust me. You can watch it on YouTube 25 years later. Trust me, kitty. You don't know what YouTube is, do you? Yeah. You're just here for the attention, aren't you? Yeah, you are. Okay. Anyways, let's wire this up. I'm hoping it will fire off when it, might need to adjust the timing. But we'll just see how it goes. I'm going to put an observer by the piston. Then make the redstone go into the observer. Does that make any sense, guys? Tell me in the comments. You guys can roast me. Trust me. Actually, no. I would prefer if you didn't roast me, but yeah. Subscribe. I don't know how that... Listen, I don't know how that ended up to subscribe, but yeah, do it. Alright, hello, we've moved. Alright. Kitty, could you not delete my thing for like the 4th time? Thank you. Yeah, I have to record this part like 4 times. Alright. Anyways, we're gonna place an observer there. So every time the magma block goes down, the piston to push him off goes off, and he does it, and it's gonna fail. Yeah, that failed. Alright. Why can't I just get to do this the first time? The second time was great. Third time was pretty lame. Alright, anyways. I'm very annoyed right now. But let's just get over this, okay? Let's just get over it, okay? Add a magma block and repeater. If you can't tell, I'm very bored right now because I've done this 4 freaking times. 4 times. Okay. Can you guys even hear me? Okay. Oh my god. What have I done? Okay. Boring old time lapses. Let's just get over with it. Let's just test it. Alright, let's test it here, and okay, we gonna be turning. So also, if you're wondering, we're turning this boring thing. It's really boring. Trust me. Can you guys even hear me? Hopefully you can. Let me see. Yeah, you can't. Alright. I just whispered a lot, and I don't think you guys can hear me. Did you? But I'm gonna check. You can barely hear me. Alright, anyways, let's start transforming this into a gaming keyboard with LEDs. Alright, so diamonds is restart. Come on, I'm just gonna look at the box. Anyways, I think I'm gonna do diamonds as restart. So for the LEDs, I think I'm gonna do diamonds as restart, emerald for jump, and gold for on and off. Fortunately, the golds have to be 11 on a pressure plate. Anyways, alright, so let's see here. I'm probably gonna need to expand this. Yep, and this is pretty ugly here because I really don't need that. Looks ugly, so that would be there. So then, okay, there, and then there. No, freshly would be after there, so I'm gonna have to band once. Oh, God. Hey, we're almost here. Okay, 1 sec. Alright, there we go. I just saved our recording so I don't have to freaking deal with me stop recording again for the fifth freaking time. I don't want that to happen. Please subscribe for my sanity, because I'm about to run out of sanity. I've done this 4 times. Actually, I don't have a script. I'm not fancy. I'm not a fancy big Hermitcraft YouTuber. Trust me, I'm not a fancy old Hermitcraft YouTuber. Actually, I'm not old. I don't really think. I think that's offensive. Hermitcraft is old, right? It's like 12 years old, Hermitcraft. Yeah, I think Hermitcraft is pretty old. It's pretty old, I'm pretty sure. Probably 25 by now. Yeah, I don't know. It probably really isn't. But let's just pretend it is 27. Let's just pretend it is 27, even though it probably isn't. Anyways, here's our gaming keyboard, our fancy gaming keyboard. There, okay. Listen, don't ask why I'm only putting 3 buttons on a keyboard. It's all you need, I'm sure. I'm sure there's not like 70. Sure, there's not like over 100 different buttons. Sure, there's one. I'm sure there's 3 of them. Okay. This is like way too thick. Is that an extra wire? I think it is. Actually, that is not. Oh boy, I think I just wrecked the wiring for the most important. Yeah, it's not extra spare redstone wiring that we don't need. It's not what it is. Alright, we're going to have to take slabs, just add 1 layer there, that we could get rid of this extra layer. Okay, let's make it all even around. That looks kind of good, but I want to add some more to the middle. Okay. No. Okay, there we go. Okay. Oh, come on. Okay. Alright, there we go. That looks better. Now let's add some pressure plates. Let's add some blackstone ones. But once again, we have to do the color coding RBGs, because these are going to be quite ugly without. Okay. I'm actually going to see how concrete looks as our RBGs instead of diamond, emerald, or gold. Anyways, trust me, this is like my least of my worries. I've been trying to figure out, I haven't posted this video, but I've been thinking of how to make this computer work, pretty much since December, or not even, probably November, September, November, December, yeah, about September, November. No, not September. Maybe I don't know, December. I would say December. Personally, I would say December. I've been thinking about it. So anyways, started this 5 months ago, so yeah, it's been pretty long of a time. Anyways, I don't think concrete looks that good, so I think that looks way better as RBGs. Look, it even looks bright and stuff. We're gonna add a little RBG to the side. Do you know what I mean, right? Alright, anyways. We're almost done with this. This is also a fully functioning computer. So this is gonna fully function. Actually, it's not fully functioning technically. Just playing 1 game. Which is, I don't know. What should I name it? Dodge the, what is it? Dodge the magma. Dodge the magma. Okay. I still need to add a head to him. I promise I'll do that at the end. Right before the outro, I'll do it. Actually, I'm not going to. Actually, I should probably. Okay. I'm not going to because I'm too lazy and I've already recorded all this footage and I don't want to, I don't know. I'm doing it over a voiceover, so I don't really feel like going and recording more footage and doing all that and taking on more storage and then doing really. Now, here we are. Now let's add a lever here. Unfortunately, you have to add a lever there just so it turns on and you don't have to be, or else you can't play the game. Anyways, Dodge the Magma is officially the game name. Also, guys, if you want me to teach you guys how to build this, subscribe. I don't know. What should be my goal? When I get to 100, no. When I get to 150 subscribers, I'll release a tutorial. 150 subscribers, and I'll do this. How's that? Actually, no, I'm not gonna be that great. Maybe like 30, and I'll do it. This isn't that hard. All right. Anyways, the keyboard is done, but how else? How are you supposed to move? I mean, you don't really need to in this game, but we're gonna build a mouse, okay? A mouse. It's not gonna actually function to do anything. It's just gonna be there, just for the sake of being there. Anyways, this looks. I think this personally, to me, it looks way better than before that little table, that little mangrove table. Just for comparison, actually, probably not 5 months ago. Maybe like, I don't know. I don't know. Maybe like this. I started this right when 1.19 came out. Thinking about it, I remember I was like, oh, it would be so cool to build that out of mangrove, the new wood type. Now it's like, okay, cool, it's mangrove. So yeah. Also, if you're wondering what those world is, it's my testing world. I do tons of stuff in it. I mostly don't use it for projects. Actually, I do it a mix. I do it for YouTube and for my own sake playing Minecraft. That looks too tall. Maybe let's add it like that. I feel like we need the like side scroller. Does anyone, if you have a gaming mouse, don't you have like, I don't know, I don't have a mouse either. I don't have a keyboard or a mouse. Don't question me, I use touchscreen. All I know is I know some mouses, gaming mouses, have like little side things or side scrollers. You can like scroll from the side. Alright, I'm gonna clean this up a little bit. This looks like a really bad mouse, I'm not gonna lie. It kind of like, it works. So let's add a little side scroller. I think I'm gonna use andesite for it then. Oh, I haven't. Wait. Where's the andesite? Why am I looking there for andesite? It would be in the cobblestone, yeah. No, I want andesite. No, whoa. Yeah, there. Oh, I'm a dummy. I already have some. Alright. That's all the chances of going it for kids. Okay. Anyways, a little side scroller. So now we can game. Okay. Let's test it out. See how does it work? Okay. Please look up. Oh, yes. Why didn't that fire? I'm just gonna pretend it did. Probably already fired. I was just probably not looking. Alright. Maybe this time let's try to lose and see if. Let's lose on purposely this time and see if we actually get knocked off. Please. No, please. This is a bit long. It's taking a bit long. Okay, guys, we'll yes. See if the reset system works. Please say it works. see. Let's go into the thing. Perfect. It works perfectly fine. All right. Well, I mean, I might play it a couple more times, but I would call that a success. I would say it works. Come on. Win. Oh, it broke again. Okay. Okay. Okay, I'm not gonna fix that now. It was a malfunction in my machine. Alright, anyways, bye-bye. See you next